Let's talk about AI. It feels like every day there's a new headline. One day, AI is going to cure all diseases. The next day, it's coming for your job. And the day after that, it's going to become our new robot overlord. It's a lot. It's confusing, and frankly, it's a little bit dramatic. But what if the man who is literally building the engine of this revolution has a different take? What if the CEO of NVIDIA, Jensen Huang, the guy whose company makes the chips that power almost everything AI, thinks we're all getting a little carried away? He sat down for an interview recently, and what he said cuts through the noise. It's a calmer, more practical, more interesting. First, let's tackle the big question everyone in finance is whispering about. Are we in an AI bubble? You see the stock prices. You hear the breathless hype. It feels a lot like the dot-com boom, right? And we all know how that ended. Jensen Huang says, nope, this is different. He argues it's not a speculative frenzy. It's massive demand for a new kind of computing power. It's not a hype problem. It's a capacity problem. We go straight to revenues of companies like OpenAI. Can they really be worth that much? Jensen's point is simple. 10 times the computing power could mean 10 times the revenue. They need more factories, digital factories, to produce the tokens that are their product. The only question is how fast we can build. When you hear the letters A and I together, what's the first thing that pops into your head? For most people right now, it's a chatbot. It's ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. It's cool, it's impressive. But according to Jensen Huang, focusing only on chatbots is like looking at the entire automotive industry and only seeing the cup holders. It's a neat feature, for sure, but you're missing the engine, the chassis, and the fact that this thing can take you to a whole new city. AI is not a single application. It's a whole field of science. For years, finance used quants. Now they're using AI to find patterns automatically. Financial services is one of NVIDIA's fastest-growing markets, worth billions. Then there's digital biology, understanding proteins, chemicals, and genes. It's not about chatting, it's about curing and reshaping entire industries. Look past the chat window. The real work is everywhere. Okay, let's get to the big one. The question that keeps everyone up at night. Is AI coming for our jobs? Robots will take the factory jobs. AI will take the office jobs. Truck drivers, accountants, nurses. It sounds logical, it sounds inevitable. But Jensen Huang offers a completely different frame. He says we're asking the wrong question. In many critical industries, we don't have enough people. We are facing severe labor shortages all over the world, and it's getting worse. Truck driving is tough. People don't want weeks on the road. Manufacturing and healthcare have real gaps. From this perspective, AI and robotics aren't job killers. They are a solution to a labor gap, a way to increase capacity. It's not about firing a human to hire a robot. It's about finally meeting the demand that already exists. If AI makes NVIDIA more productive, they don't lay off. They explore more ideas and hire. The pie doesn't shrink. The pie gets bigger. There's a funny thing we forget when we imagine a future full of automated systems. We imagine the shiny, perfect final product. We see flawless precision. But what about when the car gets a flat, or when a robot's gears start to grind? Things break. Behind small fleets are big operations. Maintenance crews, hubs, cleaning, repairs. Now imagine 1 billion robots. You get the largest repair industry on the planet. Routine maintenance, software updates, diagnostics, a whole new class of skilled jobs. We created the auto mechanic. Now we'll create the robot mechanic. Automation doesn't just eliminate jobs, it shifts them and creates new ones. Opportunities will pop up in places you wouldn't expect. There's a powerful idea floating around, a single, monolithic AI. One model that can do everything, only better. Some call it God AI. Jensen Huang says it's unhelpful. Waiting for it is like refusing to build a house because you expect a palace to appear. Mastering language, the genome, proteins, and physics all at once isn't next week, next year, or next decade. Meanwhile, countless industries need AI now. Expect a diversity of specialized AIs, super-intelligent specialists, not one all-knowing generalist. Each nation, industry, and company will need its own tools. Bring the conversation back to Earth. Think practically. AI is the next evolution of the computer. We won't get a God AI. We'll get billions of them, each tailored to a task. If you thought ChatGPT was a big moment, just wait. Several industries are about to have their own breakthrough, starting with biology. Biology used to be slow, trial and error in the lab. Now AI learns the language of life. It understands proteins, chemicals, and genes, and how they interact. Open models now map multi-protein interactions, a huge step toward generation. Imagine asking, design a protein to bind a cancer cell and neutralize it. The AI proposes never-before-seen structures. Then they're synthesized and tested, much faster. Drug discovery accelerates dramatically, from discovering what nature made to designing what we need. Our biology is our programming, the software that runs our bodies. If we can simulate it, edit it, and stress test it, the implications are staggering. Personalized medicine, engineered enzymes, new ways to approach aging. A ChatGPT moment for digital biology is coming. The revolution isn't just in labs and servers. The same breakthroughs in language now let AI understand and act in the physical world. For years, AI could see and label. Next comes reasoning, breaking down new problems and planning. Out-of-distribution moments get handled by principles, not brittle scripts. Vision, language, action, reasoning. These unlock humanoid robots that learn and adapt. They can watch, understand goals, and figure it out. Jensen calls it physical AI. A robotics breakthrough is coming. The message is clear, calm, practical. AI isn't one thing. It's a stack reshaping biology, work, and the physical world. Don't wait for God AI. Train people, build infrastructure, set smart policy. The time to build is now.